Dolls, it's a new season, so it's time for me to get a new look. And if you're wondering what new look is she talking about, my eyes, I decided to get some color contact lenses from irresistible.com. And if you glam dolls are not familiar with who irresistible.com is, they are a New York City based beauty brand that specializes in creating unique colored contact lenses that are FDA approved, and you won't have to break your bank for them. So that's why it was a no-brainer for me to get the contacts from irresistible.com. Now the color that you see that I am wearing in this video is called silver gray. And when it comes to wearing contact lenses, I am an avid contact lens wearer. However, I wear prescription contact lenses, so this was my first time trying non-prescription contact lenses and a different color altogether, because my natural eye color is brown. But I've got to admit, I am thoroughly impressed. Not only did these contact lenses fit when I got them very comfortably, okay, it actually really changed my entire eye color, you know, like the entire brownness of my eye color. It changed it into this gorgeous silver gray color, and like I said, I am really impressed. So when you go on irresistible.com, all you got to do is click on the color that you want. It even have an eye chart to show you examples, so you get a fair chance to see what the contact lens would look like if you was to order that color. The website is super friendly to use and very easy to maneuver around and to place your order and for you to receive your contacts. So when you do pick your color and you order the contact lens, they're going to come in packaging that looks like this. And inside the packaging, this is the box that the contact lens will come in. I'm liking the packaging. It's in a nice box. And I want to safely say that they also do prescription lenses, but you would have to know exactly what your prescription is in order for them to create it for you, okay? So anyway, this is the box that it comes in. Once you open the box, you're going to get your contact lens in something that looks like this. You get it out. They're going to send you your own carrying case for you to put your contacts in after you wear them. And they each going to come in something that looks like this. You get two of these, one for each eye. It looks like this, and it has the information of the contact lens that's on its packaging. And you get two of these, and it already has a solution inside of it. So as soon as you get them, they're going to be ready to wear. So that was a beauty too. But for the most part, glam dolls, as I was saying, I got these from irresistible.com. They FDA approved, and they are insanely affordable. But to help you maximize on this already insanely affordable price, I also have this discount code for you right here. So if you use that discount code that you're seeing right there, that'll help you gain an additional 15% off on your already insanely affordable price. Now that discount code is only for a limited time, and you can use it for anything you want that's on the website site-wide. And they also run weekly promotions. So if you happen to be seeing this video at a much later time and you're still considering giving irresistible.com a try, they always run in weekly promotions. But like I said, that discount code will at least help you save an additional 15%. So on that note, dolls, this pretty much concluded the video. Now, like I said before, if you're a newbie passing through and you see me for the very first time, my eyes is naturally brown. So as you're seeing right now, that is my natural looking eye color, a plain brown color, you know, like pretty brown eyes. And when it comes to irresistible.com, it took me from wearing that natural brown color into this natural looking silver gray color. So on that note, dolls, seriously, this just concluded the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, as I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.